go, guys. Yeah, man. Welcome back to another session, you know. Just say it. Raw, uncut, uncensored. Anything can be said. Anything can be said. Anything can be shown. PG. Yeah?
Yep.
Still PG.
Still PG.
Yeah, although me sometimes still say business some of the parents them they want the PG more than the pin them, but
That's
yeah,
true.
PG because guess what? Free, we speech free. We not really go around the corner. We just talk. We just talk and express ourselves from the bottom and the depth of our heart. Yeah, real truth. If you hear we are talk something and not truth, please correct us.
Yep.
We appreciate it. Yeah, man, we endeavor to speak truth and only truth. Nothing but the truth. So help me truth.
I like that one.
Yeah, man.
So, what you got for me today? What's your question?
Alright. You know, let me just ask you. If a person is not able to define love, how can they give it even to themselves if they don't know what it is?
Naje. That's a very, very in-depth question. And as a pageant girl myself, this is mandatory. Can you please repeat the question?
Alright, see that, look here. If a person is not able to define love, how can they give it even to themselves when they don't know what it is? You ever see how some people treat themselves? No. You ever see how some people treat themselves?
That's a very, very...
Yeah, alright. Look on it that way here. You ever see how some people who say them are artists treat themselves?
Yeah.
Especially the one them where I try when I really make it yet. Where the emerging one them. Not to stigmatize or whatever, you know. But if when I say treat themselves, you know, I say I embrace the arts. And I think the art is my art. If I am an artist, my art is a representation of me, of who I am. Right? It doesn't matter the barriers that nobody want to fling at I. Me, I go try to make sure say I what? My art manifests in a some way, shape or form. But I have come across some people who say why them love it, them love something to the core. Just even like, but the way how them treat it, you have to really wonder. So, is it that them don't really know what love is because when you ask them love them art? But when you see them this year, you see them next year, you see them 50 years after, oh yes, them are work on them art and them they are the same spot which part them from the last time or the first time they just see them.
I think.
So if them did know and able to define love, them would know how them to love them art because you not love your art and stay stagnant with it. And love yourself and treat yourself so. And sabotage your art.
I personally think that
Maybe are the herbs,
you make some valid point, but I had that issue starting my career. Sorry, I need to cough.
Cough,
Okay.
love, cough as a part of human nature for people cough.
Wow, that's true. Anyways, as I was saying, so in my career, when I came here, one of the things that I told myself that I'm not going to be working for people. So I need to capitalize on one of the many talents that I have and make money from it. So being a trainer of, I train girls for pageantry, I did secondary school pageants, training boys and girls to compete, etc. Was a part of a modeling agency, so I was doing a lot of different things other than my main job that I had. So in my mind, I was doing makeup years ago as a pageant queen. Obviously, you have to learn how to do your own face, etc.
I don't really know them sitting in the cars. Me no wear no other shade. That one shade me wear. Black. Black.
Any of those.
Yes.
I had issues in believing in myself and loving myself unconditionally to the point of me pushing myself to that limit. Because with love, I believe love is something that you take risks and you take chances.
And you embody in your art
Yes.
at the same time.
In the same time.
Right, so, yeah.
So if you don't have that type of love in yourself, that you're willing to take chances, you're willing to fall and get back up.
You know, you touch on nice. Because you see love, the word love, the word love, me have a different, me can't go down a different word with love, you know, because right now, me don't want nobody give me no love, you know. Me don't want nobody give me no love, you know. Give me trust, me not give me no love. Anyway, that's a story for another day. But,
Your points?
I last it, but I'm straight. Alright, what's the last thing you hear me say?
We were talking about you want people to give you trust, not love.
Yeah,
And
because
we're stemming from that.
yeah, because the fact that you cannot define something, the fact that you can't define it, you're not gonna know what it is. You understand? You're not gonna know what it is, and if you don't know, if you don't know what it is, you cannot apply it. Now, when a person says them love them art, what is it them really saying? Can them art trust that love? Because if the art can trust that love, it means that they are standing up for themselves and them art and doing what they need to do. And so therefore they wouldn't remain stagnant after 10 years, you see them at the same spot. Give and take, you know. If the ball now roll, Tanya Stevens say, we'll take it up and fling it.
And that's the thing. That's where it goes all tied back into the whole loving yourself situation. Because if you don't love yourself,
But how am I gonna love themselves? How am I gonna love themselves if they don't know what is love?
But you have to go through things in order to appreciate holistically what love is.
Maybe they need to stop appreciate and start appreciate love. Then they may probably know it holistically.
Well, there you have it. Like, that could be a thing, but we are trained in such a way.
You know, say me not even think say I don't know them not know love. You know, say me not think say I know them not know love. They just too fucking lie to themselves and everything. Some people too fucking lie to themselves and everything. Because look at it. Look at it this way, and hold the meds here. I think, and when I said, you know what, the trust, give me the trust over the love. Because if the art can trust the artist to grow the art, the trust is more valuable to the art and the artist than the love. Because the love, even though the artist love the art love the artist too. But because love is given in such a way that because me love him, I can get away with certain things. So therefore, okay, tomorrow me do it. You understand? And so therefore, even though me might love you, me might not trust you to do it today. So the love and trust will work and so therefore, me will exempt myself from the love because it comes with and trust. If that is a word, me need a word. But give me trust because guess what? As the sun will rise,
I'm so blessed. Jah brought me so far, and I'm so grateful. Could I still be in the dark? Boogie said life sweet like ooh la.